small village surrounded by green fields, muddy road, and tall mango trees, there lived a girl named Ananya. She was 14 years old and lived with her parents and younger brother in a tiny house made of bricks and clay. Even though we were poor, my family worked hard. My father was a farmer, and my mother helped him.
Every morning, Ananya helped her mother. "I'm ready for school. Have a great day." Then she started her walk.
One day, my English teacher asked the class, "Children, what do you want to be when you grow up?" Some students answered, "Doctor." Others said, "Police officer," or "businessman." One day, I'll speak English confidently, and I want to be English teacher.
She loved reading books and practiced English for 30 minutes every day.
Why do you practice English every day? Because every small step brings me closer to my dream. Ananya became fluent in English and won the school speech competition. Ananya became fluent in English. Excellent. Your hard work has paid off. Did you manage to bring them? Dreams really do come true, don't they? When you work hard and never stop believing. Wow, how did you do it?
Now it's your turn. Answer these questions. Let me know in the comments. What do you want to be? What do you want to be? Where do you live? Where do you live? Where do you live? What does your father do? What does your father do? Do you want to speak English confidently? Do you want to speak English confidently? Do you help with chores at home? Do you help with chores at home? Why do you practice English every day? Why do you practice English every day? Who laughed? Who laughed at Ananya's English? Do you like reading books? Do you like reading books?
Welcome! Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time.